We are now at the customer's factory, where there are lathes and milling machines, a total of 13 machines. He bought our automatic water replenishment system. We are currently on site at a customer's factory, which houses a total of 13 machines, including both lathes and milling machines. The customer recently purchased our automatic coolant replenishment system to reduce the significant labor required for manually replenishing coolant every day. After our initial consultation, the customer has already completed the pipeline layout across the facility. In the future, people can just come over to replenish the cutting fluid they want. He wants to build it in 3 stages, that is, manual first, and then slowly increase it when there is funding later, and become automatic and fully automated. Now let me take a look at our automatic water replenishment system. When his tap water comes in, our equipment can be filtered through 3 filters. The first is PP fiber, then the resin can filter the soft water, and then the activated carbon removes the odor. Finally, it comes to our Italian mixer pump. Today's guest shows a cutting fluid concentration of 3%. After mixing, it will come to our mixing tank, which is the cutting fluid is mixed. When tap water is input here, it will be sterilized, and after filtering, and then enter our mixing tank. All the pipelines in the customer's factory have been built. This customer is a special case. He uses a walk-on type. The pipelines are configured to each row of machines. Suppose this machine is determined to have no water. We will help him to replenish water. This is our automatic service system plus detection. Now this machine needs water. We just need to open the manual valve and start replenishing the cutting fluid he needs. When the cutting fluid is full, turn it off. Now let's walk and observe how many of them there are. Its length is only about 10 meters, so there is basically no worry, because our motor can reach up to 20 meters. Now turn this machine to the cutting fluid he needs. The bigger the switch, the faster the speed. Fill up the water. This can save a lot of time. This factory is a 2-shift system. The first thing the workers do every day is to fill water. However, it takes him 5 minutes to fill one machine, and he said it would take an hour to fill all 3 machines. So the customer felt that this was a very unprofitable job. So he finally bought our water filling machine to solve most of the problems he encountered now.